Hey everybody, my name is Jennifer Turcotte with IGL Coatings North America, and this is
Marcus Parsley with IGL Coatings USA.
And we are here to talk to you about an amazing product called Jen K.O. So Jen K.O is actually going to be a product that's unlike any other product around the world. It is going to be a quick detailer, a waterless wash, a water spot remover, a grease and grime remover, and for pretty much anything exterior on your vehicle. So Marcus, have you tried this product before?
I have tried that product before, yes.
One thing that I find very beneficial about this product is, especially when you're working with water that isn't completely filtered, sometimes it leaves water spots left behind. So when you go to wipe those water spots, you still get the water spot line. So this actually is going to be something that is going to be able to get those water spots to actually kind of fizz up. It's kind of like hydrogen peroxide on a dirty wound.
Actually.
So spray it on the water spot, wipe it, it's quick and easy. Also, it's really good for grease and grime underneath engine bays, in calipers, wheels, and also kind of anything exterior it works amazing on. There's a lot of benefits for mobile detailers along with the DIY detailers, because if you have, for instance, water spots all over your ceramic coating, this is going to be one product that if you go around those water spots on your ceramic coating, it's actually going to, over time, I would say within a couple days, heal that ceramic coating, which is kind of unbelievable. And I actually had a customer come to me firsthand to shake my hand and tell me how amazing it was.
Actually, I found the same thing. Just being candid, I didn't use it very often because we were kind of the old school hardcore kind of guys, and tried the product and decided that, oh, maybe it's not working as well as I need to. We put the car aside to do some extra work to it. And when we went back to the car the next day, we found that the water spots had actually left.
That's what I'm saying, it's kind of magical. For more information on this product, go visit Autogeek.com.